Hi everyone, welcome to Conversion Chef YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to easily add products to your online store using Oberlo. So if you wanna find out, just keep on watching. Oberlo is a Shopify application which mainly helps on sourcing products from Aliexpress. But before we proceed to adding products, I'm just gonna show you how quickly you can get and install this application. So to do that, just go to your Shopify App Store, search for Oberlo, click on that, and add application. So that's just how easily it is to install Oberlo to your online store or Shopify. So to get started, we have here 4 different steps, but you can always go through that on your own. It's very easy. In this video, I'm gonna focus on how to add products to your online store or how to source product from AliExpress. So to do that, to find a product from AliExpress, just click on Find Products. Afterwards, you will be directed already to the dashboard of AliExpress, but you are still inside Oberlo. So that is a great feature because you are not redirected outside the application, but you are still inside Oberlo. Now you can filter these different products on the search result. For example, your niche is under home and garden, just click on that. And then you can already start searching for the right product for your store. So each store have a unique categories or criteria on finding a product. For example, you want to add this product. So to do that, the first step is to add it to your import list. In that way, this product will be imported to Oberlo, so this is not yet posted on your online store. Now, to upload it to your online store, you have to go to the import list. So in the import list, these are the products that you have imported to Oberlo. So you can edit the descriptions, the variants, images, and different informations about the product. Now, once you have already customized each of these information, you can now add it to your store. So to do that, you have to import it to your store by clicking this button. So since this has already been imported to your Shopify store, you can edit your product on Shopify. So this is how it would look like, and the same process when you add product to your Shopify. So that's just how easily it is to add product in Shopify using Oberlo. Now let's go to the pricing of Oberlo. So you have here first the free plan, which is very helpful. You can already import products from AliExpress to your online store. However, the product limit is just 500, which is still a great amount of products, especially when you are starting. So if you want to explore more products, you need to upgrade your plan to $29 per month. So that's it about Oberlo. I hope that you have learned something from this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye! Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and we are happy to hear from you on the comment section. Visit our YouTube channel Conversion Chef for more videos about reviews of Shopify applications that can help you increase or boost your sales. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications and our mailing list. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified with our new updates. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!